Other than the fact I told you to do it?
To learn the vocabulary.
To learn more vocabulary, to like get it in our brains.
Okay, so is it just about the vocabulary words, or could it be about also learning another tool you can use to learn?
Yeah, another tool too. It's both.
Can you explain what other subjects you could use this for?
You could use it for English,
studies,
science.
How? Science, how?
Why me?
How science?
I don't know. Science, because there are some vocabulary words that we don't know, and by using Quizlet we can define the words and go through them faster than writing them down.
What about the picture idea?
The picture idea is to like if we see the picture, we could get what we're learning. So
You learn with pictures better?
yeah, you can get like a visual of what you're trying to learn.
Ooh, very good. I like that. Okay. Good job, ladies. Keep working.
This is Brandon and Derek working on their prezzies. Brandon, what do you think about using this laptop in the classroom?
I think it's pretty cool that our class has the chance to have a higher opportunity of learning by using higher pieces of technology.
What about you, Derek? What do you think?
I think it's very easy to use these in class instead of coming in after school or going to the library to do them. It's just so much easier to do these.
Very nice. Thank you. This is Mr. Whistler's classroom, and we have a few students working on a Prezi presentation for the first time. And this is Miss Fallon. Fallon, what do you think about Prezi in the classroom?
I think it's pretty cool because last year we had poopy computers and now we have these beautiful computers. And like, it's not as bad because we get to do it in here instead of having to go to the library.
What do you think, Anna?
Oh, I know why he's kneeling on
I think the computers are like awesome because they help you learn a lot instead of going home. And some people don't have computers at home. They can do it here.
Again, about this project and what you're doing.
We have to make animations of like people saying math definitions and stuff.
And why do you like this better than, let's say, just writing definitions down on a piece of paper?
Yeah.
Oh, so like -1, -2,
Way better
-3.
because like it's kind of more fun, and as you type and as you like watch it over and over again, you kind of learn more about what the definitions are and the things you put on here.
Mm-hmm. How long did it take for you guys to make this? The three of you worked together on this?
Yeah.
About how long did it take you to get this put together?
So far this took us about like a whole week and we're still not finished.
Yeah.
So that's why, and since ours was really good, Mr. Ma gave us an extra week. Because we put audio in and stuff and nobody else put audio in.
Oh, they just typed in the text on there?
Yeah.
Okay. So doing this kind of project takes a lot of time. How would you say this is contributing to you learning this vocabulary more than just the typical way that you've done it before?
Because like we
See all of these numbers?
we like type it, like we have to search it and then type it and then we watch it over and over again to make sure it's okay. And like, you know how if you hear something over and over you tend to like remember it?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty much what's happening.
Instead of getting a lecture from a teacher, we could just watch it ourselves.
Do you know what integers are, Mr. Spock? No, I do not believe I do. Kirk, use a second to the zero. Great idea. Spock, integers are whole numbers and their opposites. Girl, I can't believe Spock don't know what integers are. Arua's looking hot today. The opposite of a whole number is the negative of. The number 0 is also considered an integer, but 0 is the opposite of itself. Do you get it now, Mr. Spock? Why, yes, Captain Kirk. Okay. Captain, we need Spock on the bridge and you in the transporter room. Oh, so negative 20 divided by negative 5 equals 4 is an integer. You are needed on the bridge. Affirmative. Man, I can't believe I don't know what algebra is. What do you need, Dr. McCoy? Well, sir, I'm trying to beam your wife up from Earth, but I don't know how to do algebra. Well, it's an area of math where letters represent numbers. For example, 4 plus A equals 9. Now that I've told you, Dr. McCoy.
We got an assignment where we had to go and look up the 20 different temperatures from states across the United States, and we had to make a spreadsheet on Google Docs, and we have an account on Google Docs or something where we all can use it and insert our information on it. And then after we did that, then we got to go online to a site called Prezi, where it's like an animation site where we can make presentations, and we use the information to make presentations.
Cool.
That's all I have to say.
Anyone else want to add to that, or
Yes, Ronnie does.
Mrs. Graves might have a question? Yes, Ron?
Well, Prezi.com is a lot better than just the Microsoft Windows version of Presentations PowerPoint, because you can zoom in and out and rotate things and make them all different sizes and move along on the screen, and you have an unlimited amount of space on the screen to zoom in and out, and you can make your very own backgrounds, and you can put pictures on there, and it's just a lot better. Microsoft Windows PowerPoint.
Cool.
Yo, check this out. Sit down. The lesson begins now.
DJ BYB, mixing it up.